create shortened URLs using custom domain for free. Most of us use the free URL shortener bit.ly, but to be honest, it looks really cheap. What about having redirect.yourdomain.com as your redirection URL? A custom domain looks professional if compared to bit.ly or any other URL shortener. So now for this video, we are going to use a free web app called short.io. So firstly, visit short.io's website and click on sign up for free. Now enter your email address. In this case, my email address is blognato@gmail.com. Click create account. It takes around a second and the page will reload. Great. Now check your inbox for an email from short.io. Click confirm your email. Now you need to create a strong password for your account. Click save and complete. Great. Now you can close the other tabs, they aren't required. So here we are going to use our custom domain. So click on add my own domain. So my domain is blognato.com. And as I use this domain for my blogging website already, I chose the second option. For me, go.blognato.com will work. You can even choose a custom subdomain. Now click add domain. You get redirected to the dashboard. So now these are the DNS setup instructions for your domain. We need to create a CNAME record. So now as my domain is registered with Wix, I go to the Wix dashboard and then to the domains section. Click manage DNS records. And now we need to create a new CNAME record. Click add record. Now the prefix is go for me, so it's go.blognato.com and the CNAME value is cname.short.io. Paste it and hit the save button. Ignore this message and click save changes. Great. Now you can try reloading this page and refreshing it again and again till the DNS setup instructions get completed. Now short.io claims that the DNS records take around 1 to 2 hours to get completed, but for me it just happened in around 5 minutes. So after some time you can just open a new tab and go to your domain. So like it's go.blognato.com for me. So as you can see, the subdomain is activated. So now let's check how this works. So I type www.google.com and just press enter. You can edit the URL slug and click save. Now click close and copy the URL. So the URL goes like go.blognato.com/Google redirect and press enter. So as you can see, it got successfully redirected to Google. Just reload this page and the DNS setup instructions are gone. So now this subdomain is working. Now in the menu page you can add more domains as per your need. You can even manage the settings of your current domain. So now if I go to go.blognato.com, it shows me this page, but I don't want it to happen like that. So I can change the main page redirect in the settings of the domain. So I change it to my home page, that's www.blognato.com. These are some other settings as per your needs. Now click save changes. Now let's test it out. So I go to go.blognato.com and it got redirected to my blog website homepage, as you can see. So thanks for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share.